Welcome. Today in front of me Huawei MatePad 10.4 and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So let's just first open the settings application and after that tap on the sounds and vibration just to activate silent mode. Switch sound to the silent and now we can see that the notifications just they are muted. If you want to turn off silent mode, switch it again to the sound one and that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Sure, you just should swipe to the left side the notification volume panel and that's it. And here we have also the third way how we can do that. Just open notification panel and here you should find the sound icon. Just click here once and you will launch the silent mode. To turn it off, click once again on the silent icon and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.